guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here with another video, and once again my voice still hasn't come back fully yet, so it'll probably be a shorter video, but we do have an incentive we're going to try to complete today. So I'm gonna get this first order started. It'll probably take around 40 minutes or so, but it'll be the first of 5 that we have to do. So I will see you guys after it's picked up. So that is order number 1 done, and we got this second order, which is perfect. I just want to do these short orders really quick because I looked at it and there's actually 2 incentives going on where I need to get 5 orders done for both, but one order counts for both of them. So it'll be really easy to get that done, and then we get like a bunch of extra money. So we'll get this one done. It's 3 items, and then we'll have 3 more to go after. That is order number 2 done, and we got this 3rd order, and it's actually probably like the best order we could get right now. So it'll be done pretty quickly, and then we'll have 2 more to do after that. That is order number 3 done, and I've been at the store for a little bit, and we got this 4th order. Once again, exactly what I want to see. So we're gonna finish this one, do 1 more, and then we'll go over everything after. And it'll probably be another short video just because we're still not fully 100% yet, but hopefully when we are, we'll get back to our normal stuff. But we'll get this one done, and then we have 1 more to go. That is order number 4 done, and I've been waiting at the store for 10 minutes or so, and we have this final order. I think it's 11 items. Once again, another shorter video, but after we get this order done, we'll go over the numbers and both of the incentives that we got today. So let's go get it packed up, and then I will talk to you guys in just a little bit. Is our final order for this video, guys. So we are going to go over our numbers like usual. First, we're going to start off with how long we've been sparking for, and with the total I want to show the 2 incentives that we completed plus what we made separately, and then put them all together. We will have the miles that we drove and the hourly rate. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about the voice, hopefully it'll get better soon. And like always, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.